Everyone, welcome back to my channel where we turn Excel into a superpower. In today's video, we are diving into something really important but often overlooked: number formatting in Excel. You might be working with tons of numbers, but unless they are properly formatted, they don't make sense. Are they amounts, units, sales numbers, percentage? Without formatting, it's just a guess, right? So let's fix that and make your data clear, clean, and professional. Let's say we have some raw data here. Uh, right now, we cannot tell what they represent here. See, these are the things. Don't go by headers, just see these numbers. What exactly these are representing, we are not sure. So, we have to format the cells. Let's talk about the currency formatting. Okay, click on the cell where you want to format. Now head over the home tab and in the number group, can you see here the number group? You will see this drop down that says number, sales, general. So many things are there, and here we have to select the currency. Okay, now you will see a rupee sign appear, but what if you don't want a rupees, and what if you need dollar same sign here? So here is how: right click the cell and choose format cell, right click and select format cell. Here there is option 1. Option 2, click the small arrow in the number group. This is arrow. And the third option is Ctrl 1. From here you can select a United dollar sign, then dollar 1353.74. Now let's clean it up a bit. See those decimal places, we don't always need them. Use the decrease decimal, but sometimes it is required, sometimes it is not. If you where you want to keep, you can with the help of the options are here. Right click, sorry, click on this, it will increase, this will decrease the decimal value. Okay, I'll remove this, I'll keep it like this. Then keep your sheet looking neat. So if you want to apply this format into the next rows, so no need to repeat a whole process, just use format printer. So whatever we did so far, no need to do same thing for this. Instead of that, we have to do one thing, that is go to the clipboard, click on the format printer and drag it till where you want. Boom. And if you want to apply in multiple areas, just double click this printer and you can apply here. If you want to remove this format pointer, you can click it over there, or else you can press escape button from your keyboard, it will go off. Okay, now we'll talk about the percentage. Here 1000 divided by 1354 is equal 0.338, but we require this into the percentage, so just click over the percentage, that is 74 percentage. So like this you can double click in previous sessions where we discussed how to apply how to apply the same format, and where should we double click and where should we drag. Everything is we discussed in the previous session. Those who have missed the basic of Excel, basic Excel, just go back and review all the videos and come to this video so you can understand in sequence order. Okay, we are just beginning. These are the things are basics of Excel. So going forward we'll cover advanced Excel formulas, functions, macros, VBA codings, each and everything, guys. So it is very important you all have to go back and check the basic of Excel first. Okay, let's come back to the topic. This is the percentage is done. Now second thing is date. Let me apply date. There is a shortcut, Ctrl plus colon, you will get a date. So here the date formatting, go to the custom category. Here drop down custom, more numbers, or you can press Ctrl 1, go to custom and type manually. So you will get as per your requirement. And that's it in today's session. Just by using pop-up formatting, your Excel sheet becomes easier to read and whole lot more professional. So remember, format your currencies, tidy up those decimals, show percentage clearly, and customize your dates. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe, and share these videos, and don't forget to hit that bell so you never miss a tip. And let me know in the comments what Excel topic you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and happy weekend and happy excelling. Bye bye, see you in the next video.